Hello, my name is Doug. I found this site, I-Medita, online, and they had a really good web page with pictures. Their pictures match the actual equipment, actual labs. Very good on the labs, very good on the classrooms. They had their own books, Cisco books, that went over the lab materials, pretty much accurate as to what the labs would be. Good instructor, Shaboom, and he was very knowledgeable. He had a CCIE. Had already passed that, so that's pretty impressive. I did a 20-day course. It improved my knowledge on the basic principles of the CCNA, and soon to take the certification exam, and soon to be CCNA. I would recommend the site and the program. It's really good. They're very helpful in getting accommodations here. My hotel was canceled actually, and the manager here actually had someone go with me to secure a reservation, and they're very helpful in accommodating any need you would have. I would greatly recommend it. I enjoyed it.